How to send Microsoft Word file in Messenger. Let's get started. But before we start, let's create a file first because I don't have any at the moment. So I'm just going to create a new file. I'm just going to open up my Microsoft Word and type some random things down and then save it. Now, once we have the file that we want to share, what we're going to do is open the Facebook Messenger application and start a conversation with the person or group you want to send the file to. Now, tap on the gallery-like icon next to the plus sign and select the file that we prepared earlier and tap on Open. You can also add additional text along with it. Once you're okay with it, tap on the arrow-like icon to send it to the other person. And that's it. With this, your file would be sent to he or she in Messenger. But note that there are some limitations on the size and types of file you can send on Messenger. For example, the maximum file size is 25 MB and certain type files such as .exe files are not allowed. If the file is too large or not supported, you may need to compress it or use a different file sharing method. But that's it. So this was a tutorial video on how to send file in Facebook Messenger. I really hope this video is going to help you out. Thank you for watching till the end.